Hey guys, it's Samantha. I have these two really simple one-layer cards that I created using stamps from Blank Page Muse. I will have all the links down in the description below. They are not affiliate links, they're just links. I really love the detail that you can get from these. Can you see that all right? This is the Dogwood Flower by Terri Sproul with the "You Light Up My Life" sentiment. And this is the Rose stamp, also by Terri Sproul, with the "Believe in Yourself" sentiment. And I stamped these both using this ink because I wasn't sure how Memento, I usually use the Memento Tuxedo black ink. I wasn't sure how that would work with the mineral spirits that I used to blend, and I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm going to be doing this one using a combination of pencils. These are my Derwent Color Soft pencils. I don't have a whole lot of them. I've been kind of just collecting them here and there. But I really like how smooth they go on. And yeah. So I'm going to start, and I'll just be coloring. First I am coloring in the leaves and the stems. I think I'm going to go in with a different brand of colored pencil. This is the, I don't know how to say that, Faber-Castell. It's the Goldfaber brand. So I'm just going to go in and shade where I think it should be shaded. I'm not an expert about colored pencil, but this is how I do it, and it makes me happy. So I don't really care if I'm not doing it right. I think that's what a lot of people forget when it comes to art, is that it isn't about what other people think or what other people say or whether or not there's a market for anything that you make. It's about if it makes you happy. And if it makes you happy, that's all that matters, really. I don't know what color I should make this. I'm thinking maybe purple. I'm going to be using a blend of Derwent and Faber-Castell. I'm going in with the lighter shade first. This is Bright Lilac. I'm going to go in with this color, which doesn't have a name. It's just number 138. And I'm going to kind of go in and shade it where I think the shading is. I'm just going in and laying that darker shade down. I think for the center, I'm going to go in with like an this color, ochre, and just lay that down. Alright, so what I did was I took this stuff. This is Odorless Mineral Spirits, and I took a water brush pen, and I have not tried this yet, so I'm not sure how well it's going to work. Hopefully it won't be a complete disaster. But I filled it up with the Odorless Mineral Spirits, and yeah, we're gonna see how this works. So people use Gamsol or mineral spirits or baby oil even to blend colored pencils. I think I was watching a video that said that it like breaks down the pigment. I don't remember really. Well, this actually works quite well. I'm just squeezing the excess onto my paper towel. Wow, I'm actually quite surprised by how well this works. Huh. Well, how about that? I'm going to finish blending these leaves and I'll be right back. I've got my leaves all blended. Now I'm going to blend the top of the flower. And I like how it almost makes the colors appear to be more vibrant. Now I'm going to do the center. And there it is. One card, all done. For this next card, I wanted to show you that even if you don't have fancy colored pencils, you can do this with basic Crayolas. These are just regular old Crayola colored pencils. Probably can't see that too well, but because I know that crafting is expensive and sometimes you just have to use what you have. I'm going to use green blue. There we go. Then I'm going to use my teal. Sorry, I blended out from turquoise. Now I'm going to use teal following the blue, green blue. I'm going to do teal on the outsides of the petals and on all the places where I think there would be shadows. And I forgot to take out some Crayolas for the center, but I'm going to use just a basic yellow shade. I wanted to show you an option if you don't have baby oil or mineral spirits or Gamsol. Prismacolor sells these like little blender pencils, and all you do, it does pretty much exactly the same thing. It helps you blend those colors nicely. So there we go. Coloring these leaves in with jade green, and I'm going in with a green Crayola. I want you to know that even if you cannot afford Prismacolors or polychromos, that you can still make beautiful things. I don't want you to let what you don't have stop you. Alright, so I showed you a water brush filled with mineral spirits. Now I'm going to show you just dipping a paintbrush in them. And I'm going to use it to blend out. Oops, I forgot to color a bit in. I'm actually just going to color that blue, because to me that kind of looks like a bud. So that's all, guys. I hope that you liked watching my video, and again, I will link the stamps that I used down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.